Theory U is introduced by Otto Scharmer. Theory U is a process of creative change, and shows how inner mindset reformed into your work. Theory U has 7 capacities, which are holding space, observing, sensing, presencing, crystallizing, prototyping and performing. This theory is complicated, so I put my experience into each capacity of this theory to understand easily. Since I was a child, I started to pay attention to my business by watching my parents who run private kindergartens and private institutes. Also, as I read the autobiography of entrepreneurs and management books in the military, my desire for business has grown. I listen to what my life calls to me and listen to the advice of my parents who are related to that call. So, I went to Cass Business School to study where is famous for business in United Kingdom. In order to find out more about business, I tried to be open-minded and began to look for people doing a startup. I asked them to visit to a startup and then was allowed to observe the field of IT business. The reality of a startup was harder than I thought, but it motivated me for business by seeing the enthusiasm of the entrepreneurs. I decided to try a real project in an actual situation to confirm my will for a startup. The project was to do advertising business by making Facebook's pages related to travels. As a result of the project, the page had 25,000 followers and made profits. With this experience, I had confidence and was able to identify my enthusiasm and energy for a startup. Despite of the enthusiasm to start a business, I was worried about the voice of fear and cynic. I had opportunities for internship and doing a startup, and I had to choose one of them. After deep thought and self-examination, I realized that entrepreneurship was the deepest source of myself. In order to materialize the company, I had the interruption of studying, elaborated the business plan and model and collected proper members. Because I wanted to start IT services, I went to find developers, designers and marketers, and met investors to invest in the business. After the core members gathered together, the energy of the field was created, and then we could gain momentum. By listening to advice of experienced CEOs and startup conference, I tried to learn how to access the intelligence of the hand and the heart, not just the intelligence of the head. This helped us to gain executive ability with the intelligence of hand and understand members with the intelligence of the heart. Therefore, this allowed us to make prototype quickly. I tried to convene the right sets of players and build a team that innovates and cooperates with each other, rather than debating to co-creating the new. As a result, the company has grown consistently by 200% for each year. After 3 years, our company has been sold to another company. As I have experienced a startup, I would like to do business in bigger markets next time. Thus, I am going to keep pushing myself until being global entrepreneur in the future. This is how I interpreted Theory U with my experience. Theory U is coming unknowingly into your life, and it is not easy to recognize. Through this video, hopefully, you can catch the Theory U, and it's worked as positively in your life. Thank you for watching.